We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Semi, my brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu, even though angiphilanga ngale sehlo kwesenzekile kodwa ngiyaphila mfowethu.
Mfowethu, indaba kaJayden, uJayden uhamba lapho sesithi ibhola lakhe manje selifike la silifuna khona ukuya wafika Sundowns iqala isizini akangadlala. Lesikhathi esedlala umfana, lesikhathi umfana eseshisa eseyibambile wangena kubafana wadlala ku-World Cup wawina i-CAF Champions League. Ila sekuvela khona lo mkhuba. Mhlambe ungathini ngalokho mntaka baba?
Indaba kaJayden is very sad. It's very painful. Actually, namanje since yenzeka sikwazi nokulala thina siyamasandawana. It's unbelievable.
Sonke mfowethu.
Beka kwi-peak yakhe ebhola. I think every player uwisha ukuba kule peak uJayden beka kiyo manje because bekana ama-opportunity amaningi. He could have even played anywhere in the world kwamanje ngale performance beka kiyo manje. So no, it's very painful. It's very painful. Futhi kahle to be honest now, iyo disruptor even nama plans awe Sundowns for the new season because everything was planned
around here.
Around here, especially with midfield. So no, it's very painful. And I hope la khona na rest in peace, you know. It's not easy. I'm sure even as a family nakhe it's not easy. Even my friends wakhe, it can't be easy. Because for someone that came back from a World Cup and then for this to happen, it's very sad. It's very sad and painful. So singamasandawana silahlekele, singi South Africa silahlekele, sibafana silahlekele, everyone ulahlekelwe. Even international countries are actually feeling very sad nalo. You know, we see. Even Guma World Cup, they're doing a moment of silence for him. You know, we see other international players even crying that this happened to him. No, it's painful into yaki. I just hope into a final especially Guma players in South Africa.
Mhlawumbe ngoba akuyona into ethinta abadlali bebhola kuphela, isithinta sonke.
That's true.
Singabantu, isithinta sonke.
That's true.
Singamadoda.
That's true.
Uma ngabe kuukuthi mhlambe bazogcina beyiconfirmile ukuthi uzibulele umfana, kusho ukuthi suicide is real in this world. I cannot say in this country, in this world suicide is real. What should I don't know what to say. I don't know how to ask this question.
So I think the most important thing ukuthi out of fame and superstar and everything, umuntu still umuntu. Umuntu udinga ukuthi abe nabantu akhuluma nabo, abantu abakhuluma nabo abe emotional, akhiphe indlela ezizwa ngayo kibo, yabona. It's not yet confirmed vele ukuthi kwenzekeni, but if that's the reality ukuthi umhlaba ngabazibulele, you know, you come back from World Cup, everyone is happy for you. You know, people are celebrating with you.
And we think you are on top of your life.
People are thinking everything is all well with you. You know, people are thinking it's time for you to celebrate, enjoy. You know, you're missing your family, you're missing your friends. But no one thinks maybe you might not be okay mentally. You know, no one thinks maybe there might be a lot that you are going through. So it's very sad. I think it's important whether a person is a superstar or whether a person is famous or not, we need to check on our people. We need to once in a while sihlale phansi umbuzo ukuthi mfowethu angali ukuthi uyawina wenzani kodwa uright emoyeni na ngabe yonke into kahle.
That WhatsApp message is important. Just
it's very important.
You can talk to me if you need to talk.
Nama families, even ama partner. It's important ukuthi bangaveli bajabulele leyo mali eningi ekhona na yonke into ozanayo. Bakucheck na umuntu ukuthi right na, especially ngalento yenzekile recently ngogogo wakhe. I think it was very important for abantu aba close naye nama friends and family bamcheck ukuthi are you okay? We know you're very close to your grandmother, you know. Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Even Nati self is maybe SAFA or PSL or even in Sundowns to maybe offer into about counseling for into so
maybe fly somebody to the World Cup where he was
exactly because bereavement it's very dangerous. You tend to concentrate on other things and but inside you are hurting. Inside you are dying, but because it's soccer you need to perform, and then because it's people you need to please, and it's because it's cameras you need to smile.
But you're suffering
inside. Yeah, I think that's also very, very important.
Yes.
Yeah, not to say ukuthi team ayenzanga lutho because we don't know all the details.
Yeah, we don't know what they
yeah,
did behind the scenes.
Yeah, but hey, kumele sicheck-aneni bafowethu, kumele sicheck labafana bethu, abafana bebhola badlala ibhola babancane.
Yeah.
They don't get an opportunity to actually sit down and talk about how they feel.
Yes.
So sometimes we find there's a lot that is going wrong in their lives.
Yes.
But because they have to please and perform and smile and dribble and do all of that, they don't get that chance to sit down and cry and actually and actually complain, and actually do a lot of things that they need to do. Yeah, but in any way, he must rest in peace. Sizomkhumbula on the new season because he is one of the players laba besazi ukuthi even teams like our Pirates and everyone, they won't stand a chance having him. And it was good having him around because labafana abancane laba bafika kwabo Mokoena laba bapromotiwe laba eMidfield, they were going to gain a lot from him. Yeah.
And he's almost their age as well.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's a big loss. It's a very, very big loss. It's a very big loss. Even from labafana babuya nabo Cape Town, abo Pasadena, abo Van Wyk laba nabo Reiners and everyone. I can just imagine how they feel because they are a family from Cape Town. Yeah, no, it's very, very sad. But in any ways, he must rest in peace for to siyabonga. Yeah, siyabonga.
No, thank you, my brother.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Your message will get across and
so
people will heal.
Yeah.
We talk football, say.